In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MMULT in Excel to calculate a weighted sum against a lookup table. Open Microsoft Excel and open the workbook you want to use with MMULT. Review the sales table on the left, cells A1 through D6. The rows are stores and the columns are product quantities. Review the price lookup table on the right, cells F1 through G4. Each product has a unit price. The goal is one formula that multiplies store quantities by matching prices and returns each store's total revenue. Click cell I1 at the top of the sheet. Type total revenue for the results column, then press enter. Click cell I2 directly below the header. This is where the spilled array formula begins. Type equals MULT, then open parenthesis. Enter B2 through D6 as the first argument, the 5-row by 3 product quantity matrix. Type a comma. Enter G2 through G4 as the second argument, the 3 price by 1 column lookup range. Close the parenthesis. The full formula is equals MULT open parenthesis B2 through D6, comma G2 through G4 close parenthesis. Press enter. MMULT returns a 5-row by 1 column array, so each store gets 1 total. Click cell I2 and notice the blue spill border around I2 through I6. This shows 1 returned value for each store row. Click cell I3 and look at the formula bar. The value appears in gray, which means I3 is a spilled cell, not an independently entered formula. Click back to I2. Confirm the original formula appears in black in the formula bar. To verify the first result, click cell I2, the downtown row result. Downtown has 12 of product A at $15, 8 of product B at $22, and 5 of product C at $45. That gives 180 plus 176 plus 225, which equals $581. The spilled value should match. If it does, the MMULT weighted sum is working, and one formula replaces 5 SUMPRODUCT or XLOOKUP stacks. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Column I, from I2 through I6, now shows each store's total revenue as a single spilled array. It is calculated by multiplying the quantities matrix by the price lookup column with 1 MMULT formula. Changing any price in column G instantly updates every store's total.